very important roles to do. At ito ay idudugtong ko na itong istorya kong kanina. Alam niyo ay obligasyon natin mga kasama, mga membro, ng mabili ng maging leader natin. At dalawang manager na yun na nakangiti, isang sa isa ay maaaring ang pananaw niya sa nag-a-apply na yun o kaya sa membro ay pang sarili lamang. Alam ninyo ang ibig sabihin. Sapagkat itong nag-a-apply ay nung sinabi niya kahit na anong posisyon basta may pasok lang. Ito isa naman ay nakangiti sapagkat iba ang pananaw niya sa club. Maaaring nakikita niya na itong aplikante ito o membro ay isang mabuting tao at marunong na maraming nagbibigay ng kabutihan ng club. Yun ang nakita kong kabutihan at bahala na kayo kung anong gusto ninyong piliin na maging leader ninyo. Honorable Consul Rally Tejada of the Consulate General of Consulate in Vancouver. Secondly, I thank you for this honor, my friends, which I highly appreciate, for the opportunity to Philippine War Veterans and Ex-Servicemen Society. Christmas is... This afternoon, I am speaking to you as a leader, one of the leaders of the Kumpiga. For the past decades, several decades, it has been our dream to be united. And some of us leaders could not see eye to eye. Other factions, tayong membro, hindi na gano'n nahihirapan kagaya noon na kung dalawa ang magkasabay ay nahihirapan tayo sapagkat kung pupunta ka sa isang club para nakakaya naman sa isang club. Ganon kahirap noon ng isang membro at sa ngayon ay maluwag na sapagkat there is upang sa ganon ay every Sunday isa lang ang mapupuntahan natin at hindi na tayo nag-aalala na baka yung ibang club magtatampo sa atin. Yun ay isang kabutihan natin itong confederation na ito through the effort of Mr. Mercado. That's God that united we stand, divided we fall. Kaya ngayon ay yun lang maiksing masasabi ko sa inyo mga kaibigan sapagkat alam ko na medyo gusto natin magsayaw na at mayroon pa magsasalita dito. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Salaga. Before we call the birthday celebrants, you will notice that each is given a shooter. Shooter na naman, ha? We will use those later for our birthday birthday toast. We are now on our membership hour, presented to you by our FYSS membership chairperson.
Hello. Okay, sorry. What? Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. Mahina kasi ang boses ko, kaya pasensya na kayo. So anyways, hello everybody, greetings. This membership portion will be a permanent mainstay in our birthday presentation. Before we start, may I introduce my co-host. He is an engineer by profession and is one of our FYSS directors. Please welcome Bien Tabangkura.
Thank you, Esther. Thank you for your warm introduction. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagdalo. On this part of the program, we'll be announcing the schedules of the social functions of the Filipino Seniors Associations. We will also update our members on recent government bulletin related to seniors' welfare and benefits. Esther?
To start, these are the schedules of several organizations who are Confica members, the PhilVets, and Ex-Service Society, ex-servicemen, sorry. This coming Saturday, December 18, at the Holiday Inn at Howe and Granville in downtown area. The New Era Society, this coming Sunday, December 19, to be held at Capri Hall at Fraser Street. Then,
kasunod po noon ay yung the Filipino Seniors Club on December 26 at the Capri Hall. And for our Forever Young, next social function will be on January 9th here at Van Alpen Club. We will now call the birthday celebrants to come forward to be recognized. Miss Nati Santiago. Venus Diokino. Miss Remy Legaspi. Conchi Hipol. Ambrosio Peña. Teresita Laher. Sally San Juan.
here are the other birthday celebrants. Clemente Macaraeg. Gloria Sevilla. Edelisa Calaro. Renato Tio. I saw you there. Bong Cortez. Go. Tigna Castro. Irineo Ocampo. Delia Bautista.
celebration, let us call Romy Mercado to propose the toast. Romy.
Hello, before proposing itos, ibibigay muna natin itong mga greetings, birthday greetings from the office of Prime Minister of Canada, Stephen Harper. Ito ho ang sinasabi. It is a great pleasure to see you. Congratulations on the occasion of your 18th birthday, Canada.
May we call on Miss Rosita Dona? Happy birthday, Miss Rosita Duna. Come on down.
May I request everybody to please rise for our birthday celebrantos. Tumayo po tayong lahat. Please, tumayo po tayong lahat. I am proposing a toast for the good health, prosperity, and good fortune of our birthday celebrant. Mabuhay! Happy birthday!